Alright, y'all. So today we're gonna be doing, I'm gonna be doing a video. My boy Donald right here. We're gonna be playing, we'll be hooping, but we're gonna be trying on court the Nike Adapt shoe. We're gonna see how that shoe works out, see how much the grip is, see how the cushioning is, and see how tight it actually is when we play on the court. So let's get on this thing. Alright fellas, so like I said, we got the shoes on. We're gonna play some ball right now.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong now. Tell me where it all went wrong. Yeah.
Back. Anyways, back to the shoe. So the shoe itself, like I said, great grip. Cushioning's not there. Actually, this foot right here is going to sleep on me. It's too damn tight. Now it could be because I have my ankle brace right on there, but I need that ankle brace for support because I got a bad ankle on this one. But I mean, the shoe's decent. I'm not gonna lie, the shoe's decent. If you're not, if you don't need all that cushioning, I do. So I need to wear something with an air bucket down at the bottom, with an air bubble at the bottom. But overall, good grip, flexible, breathable shoe. Don't tighten it up too much. If you have ankle braces, keep them loose because, like I said, my foot's going to sleep. But that's the end of this video. I'm sweaty. I'm gonna get some water, go home. Hope you guys enjoy the video. My man Donald, the Magnum 009, that's the man that tried that hop soup the one time.
You know.
So that's my guy right there. But we'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Peace out.